At the 2008 PMA Show in Las Vegas, Mitsubishi presented its new CP3800DW high-speed 8x10 digital color printer, the CP9800DW high-speed 5x7 printer, and the DPS Kiosk 7000. In addition, Mitsubishi gave the public its first look at the new Mini-DPS System, a soon-to-be-released portable digital photo management and printing station. With more, here's Darla Aki, Product Marketing Specialist for Mitsubishi Digital Electronics.
We're standing in the Mitsubishi Digital Electronics booth, and we're going to show you some of the products that we're featuring this year. I want to introduce you to Terrell Lloyd. Come on over here, Terrell.
Okay, how you doing today?
Terrell is a photographer with the San Francisco 49ers and also does a lot of corporate and wedding events, and he's going to take us to the back of the booth and show us how he uses our CP38DW, which is our brand new 8x10 printer, and also our CP9800DW. All right, come on back.
We're going to show a little bit of the product of the new 9800 5x7 printer and the new 8x10 3800 printer. A lot of events that I do on site for corporations, and I do a lot of on-site printing using the 9800 printer. So, and also with my wireless Canon Mark III camera, I'm going to show you a little bit of setup of what I do and walk you through a little bit of like a day in the event with Terrell Lloyd. So as you see here, I have my camera here and it's already set up with the wireless transmitter. So if I'm out on location, I already have my computer set up, the printer set up, and I'm going to run you through the software just a little bit here. If you look here on the wireless software, I could connect right to the camera and the computer. So what I'm doing is when we take a portrait of a couple or individual, and we could transfer directly to the computer and then print right on site. So with 12 seconds, it works out great for me. And we're going to show you a little example of doing that there. I select the print, and if I have both printers set up, the 5x7 printer or the 3800, the 8x10 printer, I could choose which printer I would want my output to go to. So right now I have it set up for the 9800, and I'm going to print this print here, and it's just a matter of seconds. Basically, it was just that easy. So when you're doing a company of 500 or 1,000 people, I mean, you could print so many prints per hour. So as you see here, the printer's going through its 3 passes. And then basically you have a print right here. So now I'm going to show you with the same print as well, we will print the an 8x10 print. And choosing the 3800 printer. And it's just a matter of clicking print. So as we're shooting an event, I mean, we could, shoot 2 or 3 shots of the same couple. The next couple comes up, we'll shoot a few more, and then my printer will see these popping up on the screen, and then they just start the printing process from there. Doing the event, I would say about 1,500 people. I believe before I've got printed 600 5x7s in an evening one night. And let's look at the 8x10. The 8x10 printer also, it prints an 8x10 in almost less than 30 seconds. So now with the new 3800 8x10 printer, I know this is going to be phenomenal for me, especially doing events as well. I've been waiting for this printer for a long time, and I'm just so stoked. I may take this one home with me now.
This is Darla again with Mitsubishi Digital Electronics, still here in PMA in Las Vegas. I am actually now with Chris Riemann, who is a sales representative on the East Coast. Chris is going to talk to us a little bit about our DPS Kiosk 7000, which we have behind us right here. Chris, tell us a little bit about the right kind of location where you would put a machine like this.
Well, actually, with the way the market is turning now, there are many different venues that have come open to us. We have pharmacies are our #1 solution, but we have other non-traditional photographic sites that are being used more around the world today. With the film development going down and digital technology coming up, people have nowhere to print their pictures. So we are trying to get inroads into all different facets of the economy, from markets, subway stations, just about anything you can think of.
Let's show you some of the features on the DPS Kiosk 7000. One of the things that you'll notice is a different stand that we have this year, something that we're looking at. It provides a lot more flexibility to the customer because it offers more services with the kiosk. One thing that could be put into this kiosk system with this stand is a credit card terminal, which can be put up here. You'll see this nice red drawer that opens up where a flatbed scanner could go, so you could do flatbed scanning of pictures that is connected to the DPS kiosk. You also have a space for a receipt printer to come out, a place for a CD dispenser to very quickly dispense CDs that you would be using for archiving. And then of course you have room for two different printers, which would be the CP9800 doing 4x6 or 5x7, or the CP3800DW, which does the 8x10s. So if you come in a little closer, we're going to have Chris demonstrate some of the actual features on the kiosk.
Basically what we have here is a self-service photo kiosk, what is being used widely throughout the world today. It's very functional, very easy, very user-friendly. It's a touch screen, many different languages can be used. Touch the screen and you can start the process. Do you want prints in minutes, an index print, 1 hour service? You want to burn a CD? There are many facets to this wonderful machine.
You're probably wondering what this large crowd of people is doing behind me. They're taking a look at the nice little red box that you see up here on the counter. So if we come a little bit closer, I'll show you a little bit about it. What we're showing here today is a Mini-DPS System with Mitsubishi. It is a new product that we're showing for the first time at this particular show. We're hoping that we're able to launch it around June timeframe out to the public. Let me show you a little bit about what it looks like. You can see that it's nice and small and compact. Got a really good look to it, and it's sitting on top of our CP9550DWU printer. It's a small compact system, very portable, that is going to be a good target market for event photographers as well as some small retail locations. And it'll print instantly 4x6 prints out on the our orange pumpkin printer that's down there. So that's new for us. We hope to be again launching it in June timeframe, and we'll have more information about that later.